If you're thinking about buying a compact DJI drone, hear this before spending $1, because the next Mini could change what small drone really means. Welcome back to ActiveTrack, where we cut through hype and focus on what matters. Today we're talking about the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro, but there is one fact you need to know immediately. DJI has not officially announced the Mini 6 Pro yet. So instead of pretending rumors are confirmed, we're separating what is real from what the next generation would realistically need to improve. Stay to the end, because one possible upgrade could matter more than a simple camera boost. To understand where a Mini 6 Pro could go, look at the Mini 5 Pro, because DJI already pushed the Mini platform into territory once reserved for larger drones. The Mini 5 Pro has an approximately 249.9 gram takeoff weight, a 50-megapixel 1-inch CMOS sensor, an f1.8 aperture, and high frame rate 4K recording. That 1-inch sensor is the big story. It gives a tiny drone a stronger foundation for detailed, dynamic range and low-light footage than earlier Mini models. DJI also added 225-degree gimbal roll rotation and true vertical shooting, giving creators more freedom for cinematic movement and social-first content. That creates a serious challenge for the Mini 6 Pro. DJI cannot simply use another 1-inch sensor, make a few software changes, and call it revolutionary. The next model needs to improve the things creators notice in real flights. The camera is an obvious target. A sensor larger than 1 inch could be difficult to fit into this size and weight class without compromises. So the smarter upgrade may be a better 1-inch sensor, faster readout, improved processing, cleaner shadows, stronger highlight recovery, and less rolling shutter during fast movement. The Mini 5 Pro can already shoot up to 4K at 120 frames per second, giving compact drone creators serious slow-motion capability. A future Mini 6 Pro does not need 8K just to win a spec sheet battle. Better 4K may matter more. Increased dynamic range, cleaner high ISO footage, improved color, better fine detail, and more dependable results at sunrise, sunset, and night. If DJI improves the image pipeline instead of chasing resolution alone, that could be an upgrade professionals actually notice. Obstacle sensing and autonomous flight may be even more important. Mini 5 Pro already uses forward-facing LiDAR with multiple vision sensors for omnidirectional obstacle sensing in night scenes. DJI says it can detect obstacles during low-light return-to-home operations and can memorize flight routes under suitable lighting to support return when satellite positioning is unavailable. For a Mini 6 Pro, the logical next step would be smarter path planning, better detection of difficult objects, more confident low-light navigation, and smoother autonomous decisions. Imagine tracking a cyclist through trees, following a car on a winding road, or orbiting a subject while the drone constantly calculates safer paths in real time. That kind of improvement would feel bigger than a new camera number. But remember, none of those Mini 6 Pro upgrades are confirmed. DJI has not published an official specification sheet, release date, or price, so exact claims circulating right now should be treated carefully. ActiveTrack is another area to watch. DJI upgraded ActiveTrack 360 on the Mini 5 Pro, with the aircraft recognizing sports scenarios and adapting tracking behavior for activities such as cycling. A Mini 6 Pro could take that further with stronger subject prediction, fewer lost tracks, smoother reframing, and more natural movement when a subject briefly passes behind an obstacle. For solo filmmakers, travelers, runners, cyclists, and outdoor creators, that could be more useful than another 10 megapixels. Battery life also needs realistic expectations. DJI rates the Mini 5 Pro for up to 36 minutes with the standard Intelligent Flight Battery and up to 52 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus under controlled conditions. Those are already strong numbers. The Mini 6 Pro could improve efficiency through better motors, propellers, battery chemistry, and flight control software, but dramatically longer endurance while keeping a tiny airframe and low weight may be difficult. A more useful improvement could be maintaining stronger flight time in wind, cold weather, and demanding tracking situations. Transmission could get attention too. Mini 5 Pro uses DJI's O4 Plus system, with official information listing transmission distances up to 20 kilometers in supported conditions and a 10-bit live feed. That does not mean pilots should fly 20 kilometers away. Local laws, line-of-sight rules, interference, battery level, and conditions still matter. For a Mini 6 Pro, Connection reliability may be more valuable than a bigger range number. Cleaner live video in crowded wireless environments, lower latency, and faster reconnection would improve real-world flying more than another laboratory distance headline. The gimbal is another potential upgrade. The Mini 5 Pro's 225-degree roll range opened the door to more dynamic camera movement while keeping true vertical shooting. If DJI expands that flexibility, a Mini 6 Pro could create shots that previously required post-production rotation, larger drones, or FPV-style flying. Combine that with waypoint moves and subject tracking, and a pocket-sized drone could capture increasingly complex cinematic sequences. And before that final point, notice how every meaningful upgrade depends on balance, not bigger numbers. But here is the upgrade that could change the Mini 6 Pro most. Intelligence that feels genuinely cinematic. Not just automatic templates, but a drone that understands the shot you are trying to create. Imagine selecting a subject, choosing an intention like reveal, chase, orbit, or establishing shot, and having the aircraft build a safe, smooth flight path while still leaving you in control. DJI already has master shots, quick shots, spotlight, waypoint flight, and advanced tracking. The next leap could be combining those tools into something more context-aware. Pricing cannot be confirmed because DJI has announced neither the Mini 6 Pro nor official packages for it. Any exact Mini 6 Pro price right now should be treated as speculation. The better question is whether DJI can add meaningful upgrades without pushing the Mini line too close to Air Series territory. The Mini family works because portability, capability, and accessibility meet in one product. If price climbs too far, buyers naturally start comparing it with larger drones. So should you wait for the DJI Mini 6 Pro? If you need a drone today, waiting for a product with no confirmed launch date could mean waiting indefinitely. The Mini 5 Pro already offers a 1-inch sensor, 4K slow motion, advanced obstacle sensing, long-rated battery life, flexible gimbal movement, and intelligent tracking. But if you already own a recent Mini and you are not in a hurry, the next generation is worth watching because DJI now needs a genuinely new reason for current owners to upgrade. And that is what makes the Mini 6 Pro story interesting. The question is no longer whether a tiny drone can shoot impressive video. DJI has already answered that. The real question is whether the next Mini can become smarter, safer, more cinematic, and more reliable without losing the portability that made the series famous. This is TapTech, where future technology gets examined before the hype takes over. Tell me your #1 Mini 6 Pro upgrade in the comments. Better low-light video, longer battery life, smarter tracking, stronger transmission, or something nobody is expecting. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and keep your eyes on the sky, because when DJI makes its next move, the smallest drone in the bag could start the biggest conversation.